Hello, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I welcome you all to my lecture on information technology, basic networking commands. We have first one is IP config. To type in IP config in command prompt, you go to start and then go to command prompt or type in cmd and type in IP config. It will show you all the current configuration information. If you type in IP config /all, it will show you all the current computer information, including the MAC address, media access address, and the default gateway address also. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.